Traffic density is rising. On the freeway, in large cities, on country roads. Just one brief moment of distraction while you're behind the wheel and things get dangerous. One split second of distracted driving and you're in the wrong lane, exposed, in extreme danger. Whether or not you do react in time is often down to chance. This prototype from Continental is equipped with a system that can make everything easier and safer from the word go. An augmented reality head-up display, which projects its warning signals directly into the driver's field of vision. A clear warning at the right moment, and the danger is averted in time.
The main benefit of an augmented reality head-up display is that the content is displayed directly there where it is needed, in context with the environmental scenery, and is intuitively easier to understand for the driver.
The function of a lane departure warning system is just one example of the wide range of possible uses of this technology. City traffic. Looking for the right way through a jungle of roads is often a challenge, even with a conventional navigation system to hand. When approaching this junction, the benefits of the augmented reality head-up display become clear. The directional information is clearly displayed in the driver's field of vision at an early stage, so drivers are sure about when they need to turn and onto which road. In terms of technology, the innovative head-up display is partly based on existing systems and features 2 display levels.
It's a technical evolution for us. It's a continuous development based on our existing TFT head-up display, which is already in mass production. The next generation is DMD-based, digital mirror device, which is actually a movie projector industry-based product which is now integrated into a vehicle.
It is this digital mirror device that enables animated sequences to be displayed. Helpful symbols are projected into the real traffic scene on the basis of radar data and camera images. This is particularly helpful, for example, on freeways, when the navigation signals a change of lane. The symbols move from the current lane to the exit lane and issue the message clearly and directly.
Our motto is less is more. That means not to generate an overload for the driver. We want to display in the right moment information that is very important for the driver, to make it easier to understand what the driver systems are doing. For example, in the lane departure warning use case with red colors, cat eyes, to show here is something going wrong. In the case of the navigation, for example, we have used fish bones as elements to show easily where to drive.
The color code for all these navigational symbols is blue, whereas the adaptive cruise control function is represented by an orange crescent-shaped element. With this, the system indicates that it is taking its bearings from the vehicle in front. The driver therefore knows that the assistance system is active and operational. This type of feedback creates trust.
The driver needs to know what the car is doing, what those assistance systems are doing. And the best way to show this is in the augmented reality head-up display. With this, the driver understands when the car is changing the course, when the car is braking or slowing down. And with that, the augmented reality is really building trust and also increasing the acceptance of such assistance systems.
Even in complex driving situations, the augmented reality head-up display promptly provides the driver with clear information as to which vehicle it is currently focusing on. The crescent shape turns white when the driver overrules the system and accelerates.
More and more informations are available, and we need to make sure that this is intuitively easy to understand, displayed for the driver. And then with the augmented reality, we have the opportunity to show this information in the best possible way, as the overall view on the windshield is substantially larger than in the normal standard windshield head-ups.
Seeing is understanding. The aim is to inform the driver about what the vehicle systems are currently doing. To do this, there is no better medium than the augmented reality head-up display. This holds true for the present, but even more so for the future.